Apocalypse.
Hello guys, this is my first YouTube channel. This is Primavera P6. So I'm working in oil and gas industry for last 8 years. I have the experience in Primavera P6 tools and its features, debugging and all the problems which you have in Primavera P6 I can solve it. So I will teach you from the beginning what is Primavera P6. Let me show you some features of Primavera P6. So in Primavera P6 you can schedule any project, you can track any project, you can monitor any project, you can baseline any project. So basically it is very useful for project managers, planners, project control engineers, even for engineers also. So it is a very good software. So let's start with the project management. To understand these P6 tools we have to learn about project management. So I will show you some overview of project management. So first of all, what is project management? So basically we can say that project management is an application of knowledge, of skills, tools. Maybe we can call the tools in which what we are using, the techniques and project activities, and this is used to meet our stakeholders needs, expectations from a project. So this is the overview of project management. So there are some project management knowledge areas also. So first we can called as a project integration management. Project integration management. Second is project scope management. And third one is project time management. And fourth one is project quality management. Then fifth one is project human resource management. Then sixth one is project communication management, project risk management. So this project risk management is very important to us. Then eighth one is project procurement management. Then we will talk about only it. I will teach you only in one sentences. In project integration, it consists of what we can call project plan development and project execution only. Then second one is project scope management, in which this basically includes the scope of definition, scope verification, and scope change control, like that only. And in project time management we have to deal with the time activity, what are the activities sequencing, what is going the time taking to complete this project, schedule development, maybe it's also using schedule control also. Then we have the project control, project quality management. It project cost management. In project cost management, it includes the overall resources, cost estimating, cost budgeting. It also includes the cost control also. Project quality management, it includes the quality assurance, like project will satisfy the stakeholders or not, like that also. So this project quality management and cost management and this resource management, this is all the these are these three items are the most important ones. And in human resource, we know what we need: the organizing, the staffs, planning, acquisitions, team development, we can call it. And project communication management, we can in that we are dealing with the storage, ultimation, deposition of the project information like that, administrative closure like that. In project risk management, this is the most important one. In project risk management, we are finding here the consist of the risk identification, risk quantification, risk response development, and risk how we will control the risk here. In that, this is the important management thing in which the project we have to deal with. And in procurement, we have to deal with the goods and services from the outside, from the different countries. Procurement planning, we need it. So litigations like contract administration, we have to deal with the contract persons, closeouts, all are important in the project procurement management. So hope you guys you like my this first video. So this is the first one. I will teach you. My first goal is to teach Primavera P6 tool. This is just an overview so that you can understand what is the project management. After that, I will teach you some phases of it. Then we deal with the some project life cycle and processes groups. Then we can start our this Primavera. So hope you will like my video. So like my video, subscribe so that I can make another video for you. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.